In this very brief lecture, I am just going to talk about multidimensional arrays. In multidimensional arrays, we have different kinds of arrays like double dimensional arrays, triple dimensional arrays, etc. But the most important one is double dimensional array because they are the most used ones. So let me tell you, a double dimensional array is nothing else but it's just like a matrix. So in other words, we can say that a double dimensional array is a collection of rows. See this example. Suppose I want to store sales amounts of 5 salespersons in the last 3 months. So this is how I will go about this. As you can see, this is a double dimensional array and here we have got 5 rows. Why 5 rows? Because we have got 5 salespersons. And as you can see, each row consists of 3 columns. Why 3 columns? Because as per our requirements, we are supposed to have sales amounts recorded for 3 months for each salesperson. Let me tell you, like this is the value 1000 in this double dimensional array. And in this example, as per this example, I would say that this is the sales amount of the first salesperson in the first month. This is 2000. In other words, I can say that this is the element that is pertaining to the first row, second column. First row, second column. So what is this element? This element depicts, in this example, this element depicts the sales amount of the first salesperson in second month. This is 3500 is the sales amount of the first salesperson in the third month. Now we will switch to the next row. So next row is pertaining to the second salesperson. So this value 2200 represents the sales amount of the second salesperson in the first month. 7000 is the sales amount of the second salesperson in the second month, and so on. Now I go to the last element 9950, which is just a sample value. So 9950, this is an element that represents the sales amount of the fifth salesperson in the third month. So this is how we can use 2D arrays. Let me have another example. Following is an example of 2D array in which we have stored sales amounts of 5 salesperson in last 3 months. It's not a different example, it is the same example, but just I want to the only thing I want to tell you in this second slide is that how the elements will be represented. Like suppose the name of this 2D array is SMT for sales amount. It could be, the name could be anything. So SMT 00. There are 2 subscripts. The first subscript represents the row number. The second subscript represents the column number. So SMT 00 means we are referring to the first element of the we are referring to the element of first row, first column. So this is 1000 is that element. Now what is 2000? 2000 is the SMT 01 element. This is being referred with SMT 01. Now SMT 01 means 2000 is the value of the element which is at first row. Here 0 means first row because subscript starts from 0, and 1 means second column. So first row is represented, then column is represented. So this is how we can represent the elements of a 2D array rather. So again see SMT 42. 4 means fifth row and second 2 means third column. So SMT 42 represents the element which is at fifth column and third row. Again, let me repeat it. 4 means fifth column. Why? Because the subscript, row number subscript is starting from 0, and here the column number is starting from 0. Hence 2 means the third column. So this is how we people can use double dimensional arrays.